Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse. And what had happened was Ugel Sbahle decided to tell the truth and say the reason why I'm back home is because Umkhokha Nomkhosi wangibiza ngamagama wathi anginampatho hey what right, and Nomkhosi was protecting uMabusi, considering that uMabusi has lost a mother. She cannot be going through this like at this point. It's just too much. Okay, fine. Sekashilo thatha inyawo ke uNdlovu athi ngiyomtshela noma nzimande abafazi vele bamfaka iparafini afike lapha yana atshele umanzimande angakholwa but abize lo ugel amtshele where to get off ukuthi you have forgotten your place, phuma emishadweni yabantu. But mina personally, I feel what uNomkhosi did was right. This is not the point, like Sbahle must think nje because she's a woman at the end of the day. But Lo was told to where to get off, and clearly she's going back to Kamvelase even in this time where uMabusi is going through the most, because umanzimande utshele lo ukuthi phuma endabeni ezingakufuni bhekana nowakho umshado period. And then kubo phakathwayo disappointed ukuthi uMamzobe noma sekuwusisi wakhe uyahluleka vele ukuthi protect in her last days, ukuthi akancwatshele la abagumete bazongcwatshela khona, considering ukuthi yena nalona bebathandana. But uMamzobe is not having it. Girl is like angeke kwenzeke, sizothatha isinqumo sabantu bakamzobe and siyomngcwabela kuphi eDebundusi. Hayi vele kuhanjwe kuyoncwatshwa uMabusi kuyakhalwa kuyaliwa kagumete, like it's just rough. But I loved the moment le uKabisile abenayo no Mabusi, and in that moment they all agreed ukuthi uZodwa ubanike the love that uMamzobe could have never given them. Like they experienced the motherly love that they never thought they would experience, considering ukuthi uMamzobe does not have that nurturing side. But uZodwa was taken out by that tree. Most of us know it. I don't know what type of a tree it is, but it symbolizes moving spirits of a person from one place to another. Those who know it will explain it better. But yeah, rest in peace Zodwa. This is your girl Disebo D. See you on Monday.